are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon to get the notification for all future videos. Hello everyone, myself Nidhi. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a designer mask. So let's begin. I'm taking this piece of fabric. You can use any fabric which matches your outfit. So the width of this fabric I'm taking is 25 cm and the length is 16 cm. Now I am taking this golden color fabric of the same size. You can take any fabric or the contrast fabric, as this mask is also a reversible mask. That means you can use this from both the sides. Now fold it once like this, then fold it once more. From here, mark 3.5 cm. And from this side, mark 3 cm. I am using this plate to give shape. Give shape from this side as well by joining these both the points. Now we'll do the cutting. This is how we'll get the perfect shape. Now we'll have to sew this side of both the parts. So we'll start sewing. Do the double stitching. Similarly, sew this part as well. Now place both these parts right on right. We don't have to sew this both the sides. Then sew it like this. Sew this side also. Now we'll turn it from this opening like this to bring inside out. Then we'll add this lace over here. towards upside. Now we'll cut this elastic according to your size. I'm cutting this around 16 centimeter. If we don't add this lace, we can use this mask from both the sides. Now from here, fold around quarter-inch fabric towards inside. Then insert this elastic over here like this. And sew it. Insert the other end of the elastic as well. And sew it. Similarly, sew this elastic on other side as well. If the lace won't trouble you, you can wear it like this as well. Our customized party wear designer mask is ready. Thanks for watching, and if you have any doubts or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below.